Hi guys! In this video, we are going to discuss quartiles of group data. And we are going to find for our first quartile. But before we discuss our formula, let's first complete the data in our table. So first, we are going to get our lower boundary. But how are we going to do that? We are going to look at our lower limits and subtract 0.5 on it. So we have here 46 minus 0.5, you will have a 45.5. 41 minus 0.5 will be 40.5. 36 minus 0.5 will be 35.5. 31 minus 0.5 will be 30.5. 26 minus 0.5, you will have 25.5. And 21 minus 0.5 is 20.5. Then let's have the less than cumulative frequency. Since this one is less than, we are going to start at the bottom kasi nandito yung mababang interval. Okay? So we start with 3 and then we keep on adding the next frequency. So 3 plus 7, we have 10. 10 plus 17, we have 27. 27 plus 12 is 39. 39 plus 8 is 47. And 47 plus 3 is 50. Okay? Now, let's identify our interval. Our interval is just subtracting the upper limit with the lower limit plus 1. So, 25 minus 21 is 4 plus 1, you have 5. Okay? For our n, you just have to add all of this. So, summation lang siya ng frequency. So, 3 plus 8 is 11 plus 12. You have 23 plus 17, 40, 47, and then 50. So, our n is 50. Dapat ito tally with this. Dapat pareho sila. Okay? Now, let's solve for the first quartile using this formula. So, first thing to do is to locate our first quartile. And this one or this formula will give you the location of it. So, we are going to have kn or k times n divided by 4. Since we are finding for the quartile 1 or first quartile, our k is 1. So, 1 times our n, which is 50, divided by 4. Okay, 1 times 50 is 50 divided by 4. So, you have 12.5. Okay? Okay na to. So, dahil ito ay 12.5, ano kayang interval siya nagpo-fall? Let's check. So, we have here just 3. Ito hanggang 10 lang. So, we have here hanggang 27. So, our first quartile is here. So, eto ngayon yung interval kung saan located yung first quartile natin. Dito natin lahat kukunin yung information na kailangan natin sa formula. Okay, let's start with the lower boundary. Ano ba yung lower boundary ng ating Q1 class or quartile 1 class? We have here 30.5. Okay. Okay, now for the less than cumulative frequency before, okay. So, nakalagay dyan B, di ba? Before. You're getting the less than cumulative frequency before the quartile 1 class. Okay? So, if this one is the less than cumulative frequency, and eto yung frequency ng ating class, ang kukunin natin yung before. So, we're getting yung bago siya. And in this case, we have 10. Okay? Now, okay na to. So, we have here our I, interval. What is our interval? We have here 5. And our F, which is our frequency, asan siya? Ito yung F. Ito yung Q1 class. So, we have here 17. Okay na to. Joke lang. So, we can apply this now in our formula. Okay, let's try. Lower boundary is 30.5. Okay. Plus, what is our Kn over 4? 12.5. Minus, the less than cumulative frequency before, asan yun? 10. Times our interval, which is 5, divided by 17. Okay? Pag na-identify niyo na itong lahat, isa-substitute lang natin siya. Mas mabilis na natin siyang masosolve. So, we have here 30.5 plus 12.5 minus 10 is just 2.5 times 5 divided by 17. Copy 30.5 plus, what is 2.5 times 5? We have 12.5, and then you divide it by 17. So we have here now 12.5 divided by 17 plus 30.5. So we have 31.235. 2 decimal places lang ang kailangan. So yung 3 magiging 4. Kaya magiging 31.24. Okay, let's check nga kung pasok siya sa interval 31 to 35. Between siya nito, so pasok siya. Okay, now you try to do this and find quartile 1 using this data. Okay, you try ha? Okay, and don't forget to follow for more math videos, and remember that sharing is caring. Bye!